Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So today we're gonna check out the new thing where we can ride cars. So this is gonna be totally sick. So make sure to like and subscribe and turn on notification bells to never miss a video. Let's get it on. Okay. We'll just set it up. Right there. Let's see. Can you guys see? Beef. Okay guys, so let's see, and I've heard they added new vehicles in the game, so that's cool. And as you can see, the title of the video, tactical only challenge. So we're gonna do solo. Guys, comment down below what I should do more, solo, duo, or squads. Let me know. So guys, quick look. As you can see, the fort right here has lots of room. Lots of it. Okay, now let's get back to Fortnite. The best game in the world. Uganda. We should be in the match in at least 3 seconds. 3, 2, 1. Oh my God! I perfect timed it, guys. Yeah, you have to leave a like for that. I perfect timed it, so gotta. Not my fault. I perfect timed it. What's that? Okay, we'll go check that out. Go check that place out. Guys, I might not see far because I don't have my glasses on. They're very uncomfortable to wear. Oh dang, this is a new area. I wonder what it's called. Like, I actually wonder what it's called. What is it called? Goo Goo Gaga. Guys, please comment down below what it's called. I need to know. I mean, I don't need to, but I want to. No. Oh snap! What I do? What am I doing? Get that out of my inventory. I don't want it. As you all remember, tactical only challenge. You must get attack. I thought to God. Come on. I have like. Okay, I don't want to use crash pads because that would just be too much of a mess. Come on. Stop giving me burst. Oh, just imagine if you can pick this up and you just get the. What is that? The ultimate shell. Do. I swear to God, if I start to do every single one of these chests, I thought that was gonna be like a prize or something like, wow, you won 9,000 V-Bucks. Just kidding. Like, just imagine if it actually said that and did that. Oh my God. Alright, let's just bubble bubble. Why? I open up. Oh, wait, what? Hey, what was that up there? It's what we've always wanted. Attack! Okay. Guess it's just that. Fine. Oh my god. Ooh, tower. Come on. Was I found a blue weapon? It's kind of strange how blue weapons turn into legendary. Oh, hi, Sharky. Mercy, mercy me. Have mercy. Have mercy. Okay, good. Okay, so lucky. Take nothing. Quick tip. If the music gets louder, then that means the shark's coming for you. Okay, guys. Oh, dang! Another sick. Can I go? Oh. Oh, okay. So windshield, okay. 3 Gucci. Fine. Oh, well. Yeah, don't need that. I already have like 2. I can't upgrade. It's a dream. We can. Let's go. Okay, I'm already confident that we're gonna win. Not really, cause like long range weapons, you know, I have to get like close. So I'm gonna need some launch pads soon. Oh no! They took over they replaced the shark. And just imagine I get a blue tack out of the chest. No, come on. Slick. Decoys, look around for enemies. That's the smart thing to do. Use your decoys, look around for enemies. If they die in less than 3 seconds, and there's enemies. Ooh! I smell pennies. Come on, where you at? Come on, don't be afraid of a fellow YouTuber. How about this? Every time I kill someone with my attack, then you have to drop every like. Just imagine if I get 10,000 kills. Oh my god! Come on, I know this guy's somewhere. If I just shoot him. Oh, sniper's coming for me! Ooh, shark has good loot. No wonder why the shark was getting shot at. Come on, stand still. I shouldn't have done that! Flip zone. Bye. Hopefully we don't meet again. Come on, why did I come here? Okay, Coral Castle, eh? Yes. Okay, I'm like stacked on shields, but like don't have any heals. That should be a rhyme. I'm stacked on heals, but I don't have any shields. No, I'm stacked on shields, but I don't have any heals. Check, guys, comment down below if I should make that as a rhyme. That would be pretty funny and sick. I'm gonna risk it for the biscuit. Come on! Oh my god. Okay. You know me. You know me. You guys, you know me. Come on, I mean, who wouldn't? literally in the storm. Okay, this has to be less than 18 minutes, so hopefully I murder everyone fast. Yeah, I should have gone the other way. Plus, why did I use that? I'm an actual bot. Now that you think of it. Okay. Almost there. No, I'm not gonna drink the big pot because that would be dumb. Right there. Go for supply drop. Should I? I stacked up on that stair, but that would slow me down and then makes it get there faster. Yeah, I went straight to the supply drop. Can't see, so it's probably already down there. Okay, no one got there yet. Oh, stop! Okay, no one's got there yet, so that's good. It's inside, it's inside. Come on, come to me, come to Papa. What the? Okay, there's a shark somewhere. I could sense. I swear to God. There's no Tacky-Wacky in here. Yeah. Oh, come on. We don't like that for this round. But we do like this. Now get back here. Oh, shoot. I should have built around. Well, no one can snipe you in the next 1 second, right? Oh, come on! Let's use this. Why wouldn't we? Oh my God! Give me the ammo. Why am I taking ammo if I don't even need it? Can we get a sacrifice on a little bit of mats? You know, you need a build. Sometimes that guy's like, the enemy's out like 1 HP. You're at 100, but you have no mats. And you're still spamming the other button because you don't notice that you have done it, that you don't. And you don't notice that you don't have any mats. Oh my God, I totally forgot that you can ride cars. This is so exciting. Like I need to play this, 'cause it's probably a car. That's good. Which one can I drive? This one. They are right here. Can you change this up? Come on. Come on, come on. Come on, fast. Go. Oh! No way. Ho, ho, ho. The mother load. That was a close one. Okay, I'm totally confident that we're gonna win. Totally. Now that everyone killed, you guys gotta drop one like. Scar, we don't need you. If this was like AR Challenge Part 2, then we would be like the best. Then I would miss out on this legendary tax, so totally worth it. Gasoline, hey. We might need this. Ew. Stuff like. Okay, I'm starting zone because I think a smart thing to do. Pretty close, so. Okay, good. No more. Should I go on third party? No, I don't like the third party because then there's rage quit. Take these minutes real quick. Let's go. Thank you, legendary. Oh my god! No way. Okay, guys. Oh my god. Oh my god. This is sick. This is sick. Ho ho. This is sick already. Ho ho. Okay, I like how I'm just crashing through everything like. Doodle-dee. Go to the bridge. Yeah, totally best driver. Can't catch me. You're too slow. That guy's gonna come to me. Is he? I'll talk to you guys. Jesus! Hopefully you guys can see. I'm sorry if you can't. But this is what I have to do for now. Ooh. What? How did he kill me in 2 shots? Well, I guess this is the end of it here. Guys, make sure to like and subscribe and turn on notifications for this video. Okay, yeah, he died. So, peace out. Actually, yeah, peace out.